In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xlookup in Google Sheets to automate tasks. Whether you're managing data for work or personal projects, learning how to leverage Google Sheets can significantly streamline your processes. Let's dive right into it. First, we are going to get started by opening a Google Sheet. If it's your first time using Google Sheets, you can easily create one by navigating to your Google Drive, clicking on New, and then selecting Google Sheets. Once you have your sheet open, we'll proceed to the next step. Now, direct your attention to cell H3. This cell will be pivotal for our formula that we are about to input. Clicking on this cell will make it the active cell, positioning you to input the Xlookup formula seamlessly. Next, type in the formula exactly as follows. Is Xlookup H2, B2, B21, A2, A21. Let's break this down a bit. In this formula, H2 is your lookup value. The range, B2, B21, is the lookup array, which means the range of cells you'll be examining to find a match of your lookup value. Finally, A2, A21 is the return array, defining the range of cells from which you'll be pulling the corresponding return value. This specific setup enables you to search for the value in H2 within the specified range and pull data from a parallel range. Once you've typed in your formula, it's time to hit the Enter key. This action will activate the Xlookup function and display the result directly in cell H3. This functionality is incredibly powerful for creating automatic data lookups, saving you time manually sifting through rows of information. Next, click on cell H2 again. This will ensure you have the correct reference cell for your initial lookup value. By doing this, you can alter the value in H2 if needed, dynamically changing the output in H3 without retyping your formula. Lastly, click on a cell containing the name or data you inserted in your lookup array earlier, such as a specific name. We'll use David for this example. By clicking on this, you can check that your Xlookup is correctly fetching data based on your entries. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully used the Xlookup function in Google Sheets. Remember, practicing with different datasets and values will strengthen your data management skills over time. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to explore more ways to maximize efficiency using Google Sheets functionalities.